Hi everyone, it's me Kumari. Welcome to Tamang Kitchen. Today I'm going to make really tasty and delicious paneer masala. Let's prepare without delay. I have taken cube paneer 500 grams. You can see not thick, not thin, sliced paneer, and 3 tomato blanched, skinless and deseeded puree, and half cup almond paste, 1 bay leaf, 2 dry chili, 2 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, half teaspoon kasuri methi and salt to taste, quarter teaspoon cumin seed, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon spicy red chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder. Without delay, let's add 1 tablespoon butter. Let it melt butter and then add paneer slice. Guys, I'm going to add just pinch of red chili and turmeric and salt, just little bit. Let's give quick mix. Add the paneer slice. Give a quick mix. Let it roast paneer until golden brown. Guys, I'm going to mix with all the spices, and then I'll take out half paneer and then roast both sides until golden brown. Now I'm going to take half of it. Guys, if you don't like to use turmeric and then red chili powder, you can roast without that also. You can see now golden brown, so I'm going to flip it another side. Guys, let me know paneer is your favorite or not in the comment box below, so that I will know. And also let me know how your recipe turned out. It's delicious or tasty or not. Let me know in the comment box. For me, paneer is all the time really tasty and delicious. Now it's already roast, you can see. Now keep aside. Now I'm going to add oil. I have taken 25 ml oil because I'm going to use ghee also later on. Now add bay leaf, quarter teaspoon cumin seed and 2 red chili for the flavor. If you want to use green chili, you can use that. Keep a quick mix. Now add garlic and ginger paste. Guys, in this recipe I'm not going to use onion. Without onion, I'm going to prepare tasty and delicious paneer masala. Now add all the spices, everything. Roast for a second for the aroma. You can see already roast. So add tomato puree. I have taken 3 medium-sized tomato. Now cover and cook until the tomato puree is completely cooked. Now add almond paste. I have taken 20 grains of almond and then soak overnight. And add little bit of water and then make it puree. I have used skinless almond. You have to throw the skin of almond. Now already cooked for 3 minutes. Now add salt to taste. Now add water for the gravy. How much gravy you want, we can adjust. Now make it high flame and cook for 2-3 minutes before adding paneer. Now I'm going to add paneer. Give a quick mix and cook for 2-3 minutes. Then your tasty paneer will be ready to serve. Now I'm going to cover and cook it for 3 minutes. Now add before that kasuri methi. Give a quick mix. Cover it. Now let's check it. Guys, tasty paneer masala is ready. Now I'm going to sizzle with pure ghee. I have taken 2 tablespoons ghee and then fenugreek seed, and your tasty masala paneer is ready to serve. You can serve whatever your favorite dish, even pulao, rice, naan, paratha, everything is fantastic. Thank you guys for watching my video. See you next time with next